morning. I am on my way to meet my friend for lunch, and I just wanted to get on here real quick and say hello. And I have some what I ate in a day that I'll be posting as well. So, OOTD. We've kind of seen this one before though, but I got into those jeans, the one pair of jeans that I said I could not get into. I don't know if you can see or not, but yay. Anyway, so I am getting ready to go meet her. And like I said, I just wanted to hop on. I'm supposed to be there at noon, and I'm about 30 minutes away from the restaurant we're going to. So I will catch up with you guys when I get back. Mwah! Talk to you soon. Okay, so I am back home now from my lunch. It was not bad. We went to a pizza place, and basically we got fettuccine. We split it. We got a senior's fettuccine, and we split that. And then we split a sandwich. So point-wise was not too shabby. After we went to dinner, or to lunch, I should say, we went over to Home Goods and did some shopping. Then we went to Ulta, did some more shopping. Buddy is like on my lap. I don't know if you can see that or not. He hasn't left my side. So anyway, we are gonna meet up again before Christmas, so that'll be fun. So we've already made our little plans for that, and it was a good afternoon. And thank you, Renee. She got me a little gift. I'll show it to you guys before we hang up here. She got me a little gift, and it's really cute. So I cannot wait to show it to you. So I want to talk about, basically, Sundays are my weigh-in days. So I weighed today, and remember I lost like 6 pounds, and I said I was probably water weight. Well, I am up 1.5 pounds this week, so that's still not too bad considering it was like 6 in 1 week. So I'm okay with that. So I am going to focus again this week on making sure that I'm prepared for my week. When I'm prepared, I do better so that I don't have to like just start grabbing things because I'm like super hungry, right? So that is going to be where I'm at for the week. I have, what do I have? I do have some things that I need to cook, but I'm not sure exactly what it is I'm doing, but I'll let you know when I figure that out. So I just need to really focus more. I still didn't do good with water. When it gets cold out, I don't do good with water. All right. Sandy always says, you know, I was talking and the camera wasn't on. Guess what? I just did the same thing. Talk, and the camera's not even on. All right. So anyway, I really need to focus on getting things together and being prepared this week, because when I lost that weight, I was prepared and I had everything planned out, what I was doing, when I was doing it, how I was doing it. So that's what I need to do, because my schedule is way too busy during the week to have to think about that when I get home. So that's what I'm going to take time today to do. It's already 3:30. I don't have that much time left. I'm still trying to switch jobs, so hopefully I will be able to do that soon. I'm hoping that at least by next week I'm able to get switched over, because then I'll go from 10.5 hour days. I'll go back down to 8.5. So I really need that. Also, I wanted to focus a little more on my water consumption, because I am not getting enough water at all. I really, truly need more water in my life, because I'm drinking too much diet soda. So I really got to focus on that. I take water to work with me, but it's so cold that I don't want to drink water. I'm finding myself drinking more like hot tea and Diet Coke. So that is my goal this week, guys, my goal. Now, my goal last week was to do more walking, more steps at work, and to do my chair yoga. I did share yoga maybe 3 out of the 5 days this week. My steps, I'm still not getting over 5,000. So I still need improvement on that. And hopefully I'll be able to do that soon. So again, those are going to be my challenges for myself for the week, is the movements, getting the movement in, and also more liquid and more water. So that's what's happening. I have those, like I said before, I'm going to put in whatever I have on what I eat in a day. I did not have breakfast this morning because of the fact that I was going to meet my friend at noon. So again, I didn't do that bad with I maybe had a cup of fettuccine, and I had maybe a fourth of a cup of salad is all I ate. I didn't really eat that much. So, and I ate half of a roast beef sandwich with cheese. So, hopefully we'll see something happen next week that I get that 1.5 pounds that I gained, I get that back off. But I really don't feel bad about it because, like I said, I had such a large drop last week that it really, truly, I'm not concerned about it really at all. So it'll be fine. All right. So I said I was going to show you the gift that I got from my girls here. All right. So this is it. And that is the picture that I took last week, or the last time we met. And if you see, it says Thelma and Louise. It says Christmas 2024. And I am Thelma and she is Louise. And I have known Louise for, good golly, we started being friends in 1987, 1988. So we've been friends for a long time. So it's always good to catch up with her. It's really nice. And I still have to meet up with some of the other friends before the holidays, hopefully. So that is something I have to look forward to. And like I said, I am not doing any Christmas this year. I am not putting up a tree. I'm not putting up one decoration. So it'll be, that way I am not craving and not wanting the cookies. And Louise asked me if I wanted to come over and make cookies with her and her girls. And I'm like, thank you, but probably not, because I don't want to be tempted, you know? So I'm just going to hang out here and do my own thing. So the holidays are going to be a challenge for everybody. I'm sure it's always a challenge. It was always a challenge for me. I am going to my cousin's for Thanksgiving. So, that might be a little bit of a challenge. So we'll see what happens. Let me know what you guys are doing to prepare for your Thanksgiving. All right, guys, I am going to get off of here. I hope everybody has a beautiful beginning of your week. And happy Sunday Fun Day. I hope your weekend went well, and best wishes for everyone. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Bye. Okay, it's Saturday morning. I'm mixing it up a little bit. I have a piece of toast, no butter, avocado, and I have like a fourth of an avocado, 2 eggs, and some Canadian bacon. So I will put the points on top because I'm not sure exactly how many points it is. So when I edit, I'll add the points in. But this is breakfast for Saturday morning.